Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to pin a chat on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. This feature is great for keeping important conversations at the top of your inbox. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log into your Gmail account if you aren't already. Once you're in Gmail, find the messages you want to pin. Click the star icon next to each message. This will mark the emails as starred and prepare them to be pinned to the top of your inbox. Next, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Starred First option. Select this option to make sure your starred messages appear at the top of your inbox. And that's it. Your important chats will now be pinned at the top for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Gmail tips and updates. Thanks for watching.